Hold under 3 breaths. If at any point this is too much for the feet, no problem. Just uncurl the toes and send the hips back. After your 3 cycles of breath, we'll come all the way to all fours. You're gonna walk the knees to one side, and we're just gonna return to come to a seat with the legs extended out long. Bend your knees, flex your feet when you get light on that right palm. Exhale, float it down. Last time, inhale, reach up. Exhale, float it down. Plant the palms. Inhale, extend forward, tabletop. Exhale, send it back. And last time, inhale, come forward. Exhale, send it back. This time we're gonna stay here, toes are curled. Step it back to a plank pose. Inhale in, exhale, lower down. Inhale, open up through the chest. Listen to the sound of your breath. As you exhale, send it back, curl the toes under, send it back all the way. Inhale, come up, find that extension once again. Last time we flow here, exhale, send it back.